I shared a video the other day about how I had bought a size small shirt on accident and it was too small. I thought it was cropped, but not. It was just too short because it was too small. I thought it looked ridiculous. And so many of you commented and said, girl, no, like take that as a non-scale victory. Like you can fit in a small and it looks good. But that whole day I felt paranoid. And I thought anybody who saw me in that shirt would think I looked ridiculous trying to fit into a shirt that was too small. But someone commented on that video specifically and said, girl, I think you think you're bigger than what you are. You are exactly right. I have what I call fat girl brain. If you're OG, you've heard me say this. It's not meant to be offensive. Essentially what I mean is my brain still thinks I'm over 400 pounds and it has not caught up to the fact that I've lost almost 230 pounds. I still ask those questions or still stress about things I would when I was over 400 pounds. So maybe it was, can I fit in that booth at that restaurant? Can I fit on that ride? Does it have a weight limit? I used to worry about all those things. I will ask those questions. I'll go get on a ride. Does this have a weight limit? Do you think I can fit in that seat? Will the bars come down over me? And they're like looking at me like, what are you talking about? Why are you asking me this? But they don't realize I used to weigh over 400 pounds, but those things still plague my brain. Or I'll think I can't fit into something. I went to a concert. I wanted a large shirt and they're like, we're out of large and extra large. All we've got is 2X and medium. And I said, well, 2X is too big and medium's not going to fit me. It's going to be too small. The guy looked at me weird. He grabs the medium, he holds it up and he says, I think this is going to fit you just fine. I'm in disbelief. He thinks I can fit in a medium. He's in disbelief that I think I can't fit in a medium. It was kind of funny, but I do that stuff all the time. Like my brain still thinks I'm 400 pounds and I'll walk by myself like in a mirror in a store and I don't recognize myself. It's just like my brain has not caught up to this. Sometimes I still think I'm plus size. I've never not been plus size. Like my brain can't fathom the thought that I'm not plus size. It just can't fathom the fact that I'm not big anymore. It just still thinks, it just can't catch up. I can't even process. What do they call that? Imposter syndrome? I don't know. But you are absolutely right. I still think I'm bigger than I am. And I think so many of us struggle with this. Will I always struggle with it? Probably. Because I've been big my whole life. I don't know what it's like not to be big. And I'm trying to learn. But it's hard to learn. Does that make sense? Anyway, I didn't post that video fishing for compliments. I want to make sure people know that I genuinely posted that video because I thought I was ridiculous and kind of laughing at myself. Like, I think I can wear a small, you know? So anyway, but thank you for making me aware that I have a lot of work up here to do to catch up mentally to the huge weight loss that I've had. So anyway, I'm sure y'all deal with the same things. It's just that fat girl brain.